I'm Dan, and I will show you how to use VideoLink. The VideoLink player can point to live streams or recorded videos hosted by VideoLink or by any streaming service provider like Akamai or Wowza Cloud. You can create an unlimited number of players and embed them anywhere. To create a player, you need the HLS path the channel creates. First, give the player a name you will remember. Check the box to indicate that this is a live stream or recorded file, and place the media link here. You have the option to change the look and feel or colors of the player, and to enable specific features. You can monetize streams by using our free advertising module. The VideoLink player works with third-party advertising platforms like Google Ad Manager and supports the standard IMA and VAST protocols. Use simple rules for a one-time ad insertion before the stream starts, or a more complicated configuration inserting video groups every 15 minutes, for example. When you complete configuring the video player, generate the embedded iframe code and copy it to your website or blog. You can come back later, make changes to the player, and save settings, but you don't need to change the player code.